So hey everybody, it's Erin Reed and Catherine here today, opening up this brand new orange art box, which is geared towards kids, which is so much fun. We're going to open it up and take a look and see what is in here and maybe make something. Does that sound like fun? Yeah. All right, let's open it up.
I can't wait to start.
All right, so this is a subscription box, and as always, links will be down below. So this is the orange box. So it's a subscription box for kids. It comes once a month. You can get it, I think, in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, year subscriptions.
I love this.
It's got lots of fun stuff in here. Yeah. All right, let's open.
It comes ripped.
Look, you get a little passport.
I do?
Yeah, so you get to put something inside there.
I know to put in there.
Okay, you're gonna get fabric markers.
Those, I never seen these before. Super cool.
All right, you get a little book. Yeah, and it's got fabric on the front.
Ooh, so I can use these color on it.
That's right. Okay, what else we got? Twist up crayons.
Oh, I love those.
All right. Oh, we get a little orange art box
Can I
pin.
wear it?
You can put it on in a minute. Yeah. You get a pencil pouch, but it looks like you can color it. Isn't that
You get
awesome?
another one that you can color.
Oh, what is this? It's a tote bag. So
We
had
can color it.
right. We get a giant tote bag that you get to color. You get to decorate any way you want. Yeah, why not?
Maybe it's reversible.
We get, oh, here's a fun little item. You get a squishy globe. What else is in here? You also get
Stickers.
Stickers. Look at all these amazing stickers. All about road trip. Very cool. What's this?
A notebook.
And you get, ooh, and you get like a art mat. This is like an art mat you can put below you so that you don't get your stuff all dirty. Very cool,
and then,
right?
if you get on the hand, you can put your hand here.
Look, your hand's the same size. Look at that.
Oh, that is my hand.
So look all the fun stuff you get in this. You get the mat, you get the markers, you get the zipper pouch, you get the little globe, squishy globe, you get the stickers, you get the little book, the fabric book, little journal book, twist up crayons, the pins, the passport book, and the giant tote bag, all of which you can decorate, right, Catherine? Isn't that fun? All right, so do you want to do one right now? Do you want to do the pencil pouch and color that?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get that set up.
First I'm using
What
pink.
are you? These are 10 bright fabric markers. I mean, take a look at these.
I love the
Really
pink
cool.
color.
Look, there's one more in there.
Look at the pink color. It's probably black.
You're absolutely right. It was black that was in there.
But I just love this texture of pink.
You like that color of pink? All right. So this is a two-sided little pouch, little zipper pouch. Look at that. And you can put all kinds of fun stuff in there. And you can just go to town. So what we're going to do is we're going to let Catherine color. Does that sound like fun? And do you want to talk or do you just want to have this sped up?
I want to talk.
You want to talk. What do you want to talk about?
The purse.
The purse. What about the purse?
That all these lines are going to be different colors.
Oh, you're going to make them all different colors?
Yeah.
That's pretty darn cool. I love that.
I'm going to cover every single one.
You're going to cover every single one.
Mm-hmm.
Well, do you want to, since you have the pink out, do you want to do another section of pink on there? So you don't have to keep opening and closing, opening and closing? Look at that.
This is super fun.
Is it super fun?
I love coloring.
You love coloring. Now, just to remind everybody, how old are you, Catherine?
6.5.
You are. I think you are half now, aren't you?
It's
Very
super
cool.
fun.
This is fun. All right, so we're going to let Catherine keep coloring on camera, and we'll come back and show you what this looks like in a little bit. So, are you done, Catherine?
Yeah.
Did you fill it all up?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah.
And you put every single color on there, didn't you? That is so fun.
No white.
Well, no, you didn't leave a single thing white. So what are you going to put inside of this?
Maybe some jewelry.
Jewelry or something? Yeah.
Or like some crayons to bring with me to color with.
All right. So it's a
Or
fun
maybe
day.
I can bring these markers inside of here and I can maybe color some more.
That's where you could keep your fabric markers for other projects you want to do. Awesome.
And it looks super pretty.
It does look super pretty. Well, thanks so much for stopping by and joining and watching us play with our orange art box and our very first one that we got and playing. And Catherine created her little, what are you going to call it? It's a marker
Purse.
Marker purse. That's awesome. Links are going to be down below where you guys can find your own orange art box. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. You ready to say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye, everybody.